Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of Google Ads series, we will understand how you can add payment methods or you can add funds in your Google Ads account step by step without any problem. Till last video, we had already discussed how to create a Google Ads account for free and what are the types of Google Ads, what is Google Ad, importance and everything. So if you have not seen those videos, because this is a part of a long series which is on a Google Ads, and this is about I think 4th or 5th video in this series. So please do check out if you want to learn Google Ads practically step by step from scratch. So coming to our topic for this video, so for that we will just directly log into that same account that we had already created, and this was the last step that we performed. Now in order to add payment method or funds in your Google Ads account, what you will need is you need to go to billings option and click on billing setup. So first time if you are doing it, you may need some extra information, but we have already created a payment profile previously. So now you can see available funds is 00. Last payment, we haven't made any payments here. So that's why it is not showing any payment method, and it is showing the current expense, net cost and payment for the current month. Right now it is 00 because it is a fresh new account which we had created in the last video. Now let's click on add funds, click on the add funds. And while you click on add funds, it will ask you that which payment method will you use. By default, it was pay with bank transfer because we did not want to pay upfront any money to create an account. That's why we choose it. But as I said earlier also that you can change this anytime. So click on change, and there are 3 options which is being shown to you right now: add credit card, debit card, and pay with Netbanking. If you have selected your account as personal one, maybe the UPI option is there, but if the UPI option is not there, you can go with the credit and debit card. So just click on credit or debit card, and similar to how you make a payment on any e-commerce website or anywhere via online method, you just need to add the card number, you need to add your CVV, that is expiry date and CVV, then you need to add a card holder name, your country, your address, right, your city, and then once you have finished all these things, you can just click on save card. And once the card is saved, the next method will be it will ask you for the amount here like this. It will ask you for the amount. So let's say I want to add 600 rupees. Right, so you need to add the amount and then click on continue. Since you will be using any credit card, debit card, it may ask for OTP, right, based on the settings that you had in your bank application. So let's say add funds. If I talk about the payment transfer, so it shows me the payment details, but in your case it will open a new page which will show you that enter your OTP or one-time password. So you can enter the one-time password and the transaction will be done. Similar to that, if you are using, let's say, Netbanking, so click on add funds, and now instead of debit or credit card, click on pay with Netbanking, choose the amount, let's say 600, and it will redirect you to the bank website depending on which bank you are interested in. So that is the payment page typically comes in when you select for the internet banking. So click on your bank. So let's say the bank is, for example, HDFC. Then click on make payment. It will ask you to log in and everything, and similar to if you follow the instructions step by step, that is the how you usually make the payment via net banking, then you will be able to do it. And once the payment is done, it will reload again and come back to this screen that will show you that whatever payment you have added, whatever the funds you have added, and it will show you here, and it will also show you the last payment that you made, right? So this is the easiest way, and this is the only way to add payment method in your Google Ad account. Again, as I said, right now I am able to see only 2, that is credit card, debit card, and net banking, that is 3. But if you have chosen the mode of account that is your personal account, then you might see the option of, let's say, EMI or UPI or maybe other things, Paytm wallet, something like that. So whatever methods you see, that this is the very basic thing to make any payment, because we are in a digital era and everybody knows if you are learning Google Ads. So I'm hoping that you know how to make an online payment. But what was the option? Option was in the billing and that billing setup. So that's how you can add payment in your Google Ads account step by step without any problem. And in case, let's say, payment fails, if any payment fails, don't worry. If it is already debited from your account, that if it is not received in the Google Ads account, then it may come back in, let's say, a couple of business days. You can contact your bank or customer support, or if the payment is successful, it will show you, and all the billings and every receipt you will be able to see here once once you make any transaction. So here it will show you that funds available, payments, campaign, estimated text and everything, and you can download that invoice or receipt as well. And if you are using GST number, your GST number will also be there on the invoice because you have already mentioned in your company details. And that's how you can add a payment method or funds in your Google Ads account. So guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.